Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your Capcut projects or Capcut videos from PC into your phone. So here I've already opened the Capcut PC, and first what you need to do is you need to make sure that you've already signed in to your Capcut account, the one that it's the same account that you sign in into your Capcut mobile. So it needs to be on the same account, and after that, here after you sign in, you can go to your space in here. For example, I already have two, so you can click on this space. You need to make sure that you already have space. If you don't have any space yet, you can click on create or join. Then you can just tap on create in here to create your space. So after the space is created, you can now just click on the three dots icon to the project that you want to transfer into your phone, and then tap on upload. Here you need to choose the space. For example, I'm going to go with this, with my space in here, and then tap on upload. Okay, you can see the progress by opening the space in here. You can see, okay, it's still uploading, I think. And after that, here when you open your projects or your Capcut on the mobile, you can see it's still uploading. This project will also show up when you open your space on mobile. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.